Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Technical Shaji. So guys, today video we will talk about how to register on WhatsApp. Here I put the topic name. Here I put the topic name, how to register on WhatsApp. So guys, this is question and answer is, we send a registration code to confirm that we on the phone number you put to use on WhatsApp. The registration code is unique and change each time you register a new phone number or device. You can register with a new message or phone call. Note, if you if you are re-registered your phone number, you can receive a registration code via email, and if you are previously set up two-step verification with a email address. So here next is article is, after registering your phone number with WhatsApp, you can use your fingerprint, face or screen lock to verify it's you with a passkey for future verification. To set up a passkey, read this article. So here I tell you how to you set up your passkey. So here registration requirements. First of all, registration requirements are you can only register a phone number you're on. So guys, here you can put you can only register with your phone number that you that is your own. And second, you must able to receive a phone call and SMS to the phone number you are trying to register. This means you must have your number on when you register on your WhatsApp. Then WhatsApp will send you a call or messages. So here it's must step to keep your phone number on. So third is, make sure you are using the latest versions of WhatsApp installed on your phone. So next is, you must have a car blocking setting, apps or task skills disabled. And after this, here you must have a working internet connection through mobile data or Wi-Fi. If you are roaming or have a bad connection, registration may not work, or trying opening a web page to make sure. So here, after if you wish to use both WhatsApp Business and WhatsApp, you must have a unique phone number for each app. You will need to use a supported phone number. Unsupported phone number cannot be registered on WhatsApp and include VoIP. So landline, here paid premium numbers and universal SSU numbers, and how to register. So here to register with a message, enter your phone number and choose your country from the drop down list. This will automatically fill your country codes on the left, and enter your phone number in the box on the right. Do not put 0 before your phone number complete. So tap next to request a code. So here I tell you about are these requirements. So here you can come on your any Chrome, and here you search about WhatsApp web. After this, here you see about WhatsApp web and how to register on your phone and help center. Here you can also call on help center to register. Here I put on web WhatsApp. So here you can you receive your tab will be open. and here you can see use WhatsApp on your computer. If you use your WhatsApp on the computer, one is open WhatsApp on your phone, second is tap menu on Android or setting on an iPhone, tap LinkedIn device and then link a device. Put your phone at this screen to capture the QR code. And here you can also link your phone number. If you link on your phone number, here are the tutorial video. So I hope so you like the video. Here you select Pakistan, about your country name, and here you put the number and then click on your next. And if you link with your QR code, then here the same menu will appear again. So guys, I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then must subscribe my YouTube channel Technical Shachi.